I'm saying this to you, brother to brother. The easiest way to destroy the deposit of God over your life is to have multiple sexual partners. Have no business with intercourse in as much as you are not married. So you thought maybe Potiphar's wife wanted to offer herself to Joseph. No, you understood that the easiest means to destroy the glory of God over the life of Joseph was to offer herself to him. But thank God for that young man. He understood the assignment of Potiphar's wife. He ran away. There are so many of you today. It is not even Potiphar's wife that will come to you. You will be the one to go to her. You say you are a child of God. You say you are a brother in church. You have multiple sexual partners. Right from the prayer band, even to the choir, even to the usher. May God have mercy upon you. When your mate is discussing on how many territories they've conquered for Jesus, you are discussing how many girls you've conquered of the bed of fornication. May God have mercy upon you.